All right, so we're here, Facebook Live. We're at 326 Parsons Landing in Long Beach, and we're about to preview this beautiful home in Spinnaker Bay.
Thank you guys for joining us for our virtual open house. Hopefully there'll be a couple more people coming on soon. So
Yes.
We're excited to show you guys this beautiful house.
I'm Heather Ignacio,
Madison Gargoni,
and we're very excited to show you this.
and we're both with Remax Top Producers also.
Yep.
All right.
All right, let's head in. Here we go. Here's the beautiful entryway.
No way. Come on in, guys.
Stay right here. Come on in. All right. So here is the beautiful living room. High ceilings, terrazzo tile floors. The dining room is over here.
You guys can see the high ceilings up here, which is really nice. Kind of opens up the space too.
Yeah. And then there's a nice fireplace over here. Beautiful lighting. And then over here is the half bath. Everybody can come in here and see it. And let's head upstairs.
This home does come fully furnished also. So for whoever is going to be buying the property, it can come furnished with all of the nice furniture too.
And so this is the office here, which used to be the third bedroom. And they had a door over here that led into Jack and Jill bathroom. So they just turned this into an office. A beautiful office. And this way is the guest room, one of the bedrooms.
You guys are going to get in the mirror.
Just noticed that.
And there's a bathroom attached right there.
It's a perfect bedroom if you have guests over. At least there is a bathroom attached. So we're going to show you guys the master. This home is kind of like a tri-level, so there is 2 sets of stairs.
And right to the right is a laundry room, which is nice to have on the top floor here.
Tons of storage, and there's a sink in there too. I like the flooring also.
Yeah. All right, here we go into the master.
I love this master bedroom. So nice.
This is a beautiful master.
Yeah.
So let's turn around and look at the view.
Nice big open windows. During the daytime, it lets in a lot of natural light too.
Mm-hmm.
So we have the bay over there with all the dock slips, and one of the docks is over there, right, Heather?
Yep, so one of the docks is right down there.
Which we will be showing you guys too.
Yep, we'll take a walk after this.
We should show them the.
Let's show the bathroom.
Yeah.
All right. So here's the master bath. It's gorgeous. Beautiful finishes everywhere. And then the rest of the bathroom.
And the home has his and her closets.
Yep,
So
so
right
here's
here is
one of them.
one. I would consider it the hers, right, because of the vanity.
Yep, and it's a little bit bigger.
Of course. The women always
Necessary.
need more. And his closet is over here. Yep, this one's definitely a little bit smaller, but still a really good size. And then I'm going to open the balcony door. This is such a nice feature of the
Balcony
house.
is one of my favorite things, and I love this retractable awning up here. It goes all the way out. And so then here, at the end of that dock is there.
You guys can notice it's
slip.
really quiet too
Yes.
for a Friday night. It's nice and relaxing.
And you can look down and see their patio back here. Okay, let's head down and see the kitchen.
Do you guys have any questions so far about the house, the upstairs, the balcony, anything we've shown you so far? You can type it into the comment section,
All right.
and our awesome videographers are going to let us know if you guys have any questions, okay? Now we'll go downstairs. And this one just got on the market, right?
It did, just
What was that, yesterday or
yesterday.
yesterday?
Went live yesterday.
That's awesome. It's definitely going to gain a lot of activity, I'm sure.
Yep. So this home has 2,323 square feet.
No attention to circle.
So here's the dining room again. There's just huge, beautiful windows all over the house. So there's lighting coming in from everywhere during the day. And take a look at the kitchen. All really high-end appliances. Everything's
Massive
up to
fridge.
date.
The fridge is big, yes. The appliances are Dacor appliances. And there's also a wine fridge right over here. A really handy dandy. And there's tons of storage and also a wine rack over there. And then if you look over here in the family room, there's another wine rack over there. So plenty of wine storage. Now we're going to show you guys the backyard and the patio area.
All right, this way.
Perfect for low maintenance. We have the built-in barbecue and the bar top over there. But it is really spacious.
Yeah, Viking grill over here. And then this home is one of the only ones that has a gate that leads to the outside.
To the docks. If you kind of look around to some of the other homes, these ones don't have any gate access. So that's another really key feature of the house.
You could also rent out the space out here and just have big parties out there.
Oh, that's cool.
And then just have a gate so that all your guests can come in here and use your facilities.
There's an HOA here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. We're going to show you one of the boat flips. How many feet is this one again?
This one is 40 feet. This first one is 40 feet, and you can fit a 44-foot yacht.
44. Look at
This one. Does anybody have any questions yet?
Hi. Nope, nope.
And there is a lot of local restaurants too that are close by. We've seen a lot of paddle boards out there, so some of the residents, they can actually paddle board or kayak to some of the restaurants over there, which is nice.
So there's restaurants and shops over there.
And shops too.
So you could like kayak and just like have a little shopping spree. Put your bags on.
Waterproof bags or something.
Yeah.
I don't know what that. Or you could be like a pro paddleboard and see it all out.
Exactly. So a lot of people have these duffy boats around here, and they just go around the bay.
And you can see the paddle boards. It's not even windy right now either. It's really
Yeah, the
nice.
water's so calm. You can do anything you want.
Oh, then the kayaks too.
Yeah, it's really easy to paddleboard in this water. Nice.
You know, like big waves or anything.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so here is the first boat slip right here to the right.
So right here at the end. Go check that out.
Okay.
This is the 40-foot one.
cool because it's on the edge of it, so it's really easy to pull out into the water.
And so right down there are some really nice restaurants and shops. You literally could just like.
And what is
really
what is
close
that
and
area
nice.
called again? Marine Stadium, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This bay is called Marine Stadium.
Marine Stadium Bay.
Yes. All right, so the other dock is a little walk. So if you guys have any questions, if you think of anything you want to know, we'd be happy to answer your questions while we're walking.
This is one of the only homes with 2 boat slips, right?
Yes.
And this one's the next one's a lot bigger. So it's definitely a unique sail because a lot of the homes in the area don't have 2 boat slips.
And some of these homes don't even come with a boat slip at all. You do have to be a resident of Spinnaker Bay to have a boat slip here.
Hi! They're friendly neighbors. Yeah. We've seen a lot of residents kind of walking around, so we like to do, walks or like walks after dinner or something. It's a nice little area.
Beautiful place to walk around.
Yeah. Any questions or anything? No?
No questions,
It speaks for itself.
Yes, exactly. You have to see it in person.
You guys already passed the second one.
No.
Oh no, it's the other
Oh,
one.
it's a little farther.
That's right. I was thinking.
I think we're noobs.
Such a big neighborhood, just get lost in it.
I think we timed it perfectly with like the sunset and coming down.
Really nice.
Hi. Hello.
So it's just such a nice, quiet neighborhood in general. And it's just a peaceful area.
There's a pretty view of it. Also, they all have like different little backyards and
Yeah.
kind of custom. Do you know how many floor plans are in this area? They kind of vary a little bit, right? Yeah. There's like 4 bedrooms and 3-bedroom ones. Just some variety.
Mm-hmm.
We're almost there, I promise.
We're getting there.
You can definitely stay in shape. I mean, both of these boat slips.
That's right.
Going back and forth. I think next time I probably won't wear heels though.
When you're getting on your yacht.
Oh yeah. Either barefoot or just sandals.
Yeah. All right, we are literally almost there.
Try not to fall.
Yeah. Thanks. You can see how massive these boat docks are right here.
These are some of the biggest in the whole bay, right?
Yes. You can fit, so these are 55-foot docks, and you can fit a 62-foot yacht.
Definitely a huge plus having one of these because there's so few of these actual size, right? So
Yes, it's a huge benefit. It's a sticky lock.
for someone who likes boating or has their yacht, or even like just the decking boats too, or fishing.
Yeah.
Seems like there's a lot of fishing boats out here too. So here's the other dock or boat slip. It's 139 here. Comes with the home.
Oh. Down or no? Go ahead.
All right, thank you so much for joining us. If you have any other questions or if you'd like to see it, please feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help.
We'd be happy to give you guys a private tour if you're interested, or if you know anyone who's looking to buy in this area or looking to purchase something with, you know, boat slip and boats. For the whole experience, just let us know.
Have a great weekend.
Bye!
Bye.